Hi there, this is Kaleb at ABSupply with another tips and tricks video. Today I wanted to go over managing your tax exempt status here on our site. It's a short one, it's easy, but important nevertheless. So let's take a look here. I'm logged in as myself and I'm on my order status and history page, so I'll go to the last order that I've got. Now my account is not set up for tax exemption. We typically see this mostly with schools or with hospitals where they need that exemption, and of course our system needs a copy of that exemption to go through. So we'll go through the checkout process here. Obviously step one of the checkout process will be where you enter your shipping information, so we'll put our shop address here, and then we'll hit save and continue, and this next step is where we'll have the option to do tax exempt. So you'll see here the box, are you tax exempt, and this will be whatever state you're shipping to. You have to have the exemption on file for the state you're shipping to. So we'll click this box here for the check. You'll select your reason for exemption, your certificate ID, the expiration date, and then obviously you'll hit choose file here. You'll upload your file where applicable, and then you're just going to carry the information from the exemption form, so your business name, your address, city, state, everything, and then you'll click upload certificate info. It'll spin for a while, and after you'll see, now you won't see it on my screen because I didn't input anything, but here will be tax exempt. You'll go to the next step, it'll say you're tax exempt here, and if everything works, you should see this value here drop to 0. So yeah, that is what I've got for tax exemption. In any case, you're always welcome to forward us a copy of your exemption form and we can go through and post it to your profile as well. Thank you very much. This has been Kaleb.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.